What's up guys, CryptoWill here, and we're going to be going over 0x. I just heard of this coin, to be honest. I looked up a little bit about it before the video, and the chart is kind of crazy looking. We got wicks everywhere in all directions, but mainly I'm labeled the biggest zones that I can see, and I charted this before the video, so I wouldn't have to do it live for you guys. But as you see, obviously your highs of zone. We have this point right here touched many times and currently touched here where we currently are multiple times. So this can act as a resistance. And then we have this kind of zone here. It acts as support down here, support, resistance. It broke through a little bit and then it acted as resistance here. And then we also have this zone down here as support, resistance, resistance, and resistance. So these are the main zones that I can see. Obviously we are in the uptrend, follows it perfectly. So we are in the uptrend there. And to be honest, the move here, I'm kind of wanting to see applying to with my strategy is to come down to the $1.10 area. Once we come around the $1.10 area, if we get some rejection in that area, okay, now I can be wrong, I can be completely wrong, okay. People think I'm saying this is where the coin's going to go. I'm giving you an analysis on where I think it's going to go. You can like it or not, okay. If you don't like it, leave the video. But ideally, this is going to be the trade that I see currently, okay. I will update you guys later on, but there's no buying position right now. Why would you buy high right now at these highs when it can come back down, which most likely will? Okay, the market has to reverse. People think it can just go up and up and up, up and up and never stop. It's not how it works. Markets have to go up and down, up and down. It's how everything flows. Okay, so ideally, there's no trade for me personally. Okay, you don't have to take my advice. Down at the $1.10 area. Okay, and who knows, we could even break lower down to the $70 area and probably ride it right back up and have a bigger risk to reward ratio on this coin. Okay, but what I'm saying is don't just buy when it comes to these zones. Wait for rejection, wait for a candlestick setup to give you a valid reason to buy the coin. Okay, a valid reason to buy the coin. So see how there's multiple wicks here and it keeps popping up? Well, you could be shorting this coin multiple times by like 20 cents. Ideally, if you wanted to. Because that's what's happening right now. Capitalize on it. See how all the average of the wicks come to about $1.50. And it comes up to about $1.80. That's 30 cents gain. And that was for 7 days in a row. It came down and came back up. That's 30-cent gain on whatever your money, on whatever you put in. So, ideally, if you bought 1,000 coins, you'd make, I think, I don't know the exact math on that. $1.50, $2.80 on 1,000 coins. 30 cents times 1,000, $30, I think, right? $30. Let me do the math real quick. 1,000 times 30 cents. Oh, $300. Okay, so you're making $300, and you could make $300 this day, not the next day, but then the next day, not that day, the next day. So $300 for 4 days in this week. See, that's how you can make money in the markets. It doesn't have to be big moves. It doesn't have to be anything gigantic. If it is gigantic, that's great, right? That's great. That's awesome. That's a great move to take. But I'm telling you that this is a simple way that I trade. I don't trade on the daily. Okay, I trade mainly Forex. I do these videos for you guys because I can analyze the market pretty spot on. Not all the time. Okay, I'm wrong sometimes. I'm pretty sure I've done over 50 videos of analysis, and most of them have turned out. You can go back and look. Okay, now my most recent video before I end here, and this video here, so we're going to be looking for a buy around the $1.10 or the $70 range. So I'll update you guys if you're not in the WhatsApp group, join the WhatsApp group, and I'll update you guys on this coin once it comes time. Okay? But I've had a video, my video I uploaded yesterday over Tron, and it almost has as many likes as dislikes, because they think it's not going to come down. It has to come down at some point. If you think that coin is not going to come down, you're crazy. You're crazy. It has to come back down. And it's a very reliable strategy. First of all, it's a head and shoulders pattern on a zone. So you can think I'm crazy, but for all of you that are buying right now, buying Tron, and it comes down, I'm going to laugh at you. Because you couldn't wait a week to buy the coin. You wanted to get in now. Trading is about patience, using management, and psychology. If you're just jumping in the coin because you see May 31st and you're like, okay, this coin's going up, so I'm buying now. That's not a reliable way to trade. You're gambling. You're gambling. That coin could drop. Ideally not, because it's a good thing for Tron. But this coin, it could drop. You could get a better position to buy your coin than buying now. Literally 100% better. Let's look at the chart real quick before I end this video, because I want to touch on it. Whoops, that's Bitcoin. Look at that. Remember I drew this? I haven't changed it one bit. Guess what happened? It hit that right shoulder and now it's trying to push back down. So everyone that's buying the coin right now, if this comes down, I'm going to laugh. Because it's still valid. Nothing is telling buy at the moment. It's on the left shoulder, making the right shoulder. Okay, remember, this is days. So it can still take a few days to either push up or push down. And ideally, looking at it right now, it looks like it's going to push down. It's on a head and shoulders pattern. May 31st is another 2 weeks away. This can drop within 2 weeks. This can drop within 2 weeks. That's a long time. That's a long time, especially trading. That's a long time. Crypto is 24 hours a day. It's not like Forex where it's 5 days a week, you know, or it's really 6. You count Sunday half day, Friday half day. This is 24/7. This has a lot of time to move. Okay? Now, ideally, this is the best position. I'm not saying wait till it comes down here, because where's another kind of big resistance? Right here at about 5 cents. So it could just come down to there and come up. But ideally, we want to buy at the lows, because that's how you're supposed to trade. Buy at the lowest area, sell at the highest area. People are buying right now when, if you look at structure and how structure is made, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then made a lower low. So we're expecting a higher low and then a lower low, because we broke structure. So that tells me right there, if you think you're going to buy the coin right now, theoretically speaking, we broke structure to the downside. We're not in the uptrend anymore for Tron. And if you draw a trend line, yes, it's valid. It's on a trend line. Okay? So I just wanted to state that for you guys. Some people think I'm crazy. And I'm going to laugh really hard when it does come down. It doesn't have to come down to 3 cents. But say you bought up here, because this is where I posted the video a couple of days ago. If you bought at 8 cents and it comes down to 5 cents, I'm going to laugh, because you could have just got a way better entry. Instead, you're all in the hype and you're buying the coin now. I'm going to laugh really hard if it comes to 3 cents, because that's literally double your money that you could have made when it pushes back up. Look at this risk to reward ratio. You're buying right here. Some people buying right here. This is what you're looking at. That's terrible. You're risking more than you're going to win. It's not even a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And this candle may be wicking and having a, look like it's going to come up, but this coin still has another 6 hours before it closes. This can come all the way back down, and I see it happen. It can come all the way down within 30 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, the market, you have to wait for that candle to close. You have to wait for that candle to close. And there's no forward movement. Look at it. It's all bearish movement. Yeah, we have a little bullish movement. That's a pullback. That's a pullback. You guys know what pullbacks are? That's a pullback to continue the downtrend. Let's just draw a Fibonacci real quick and see if it pulled back to a Fibonacci level. Take the low to the high of that bearish wick, and it's right on the 618. That is a continuation trend Fibonacci level, and it's got rejected twice. So if this works out how I see it gonna work out, it's gonna test that Fibonacci level again and reject and come down and continue the downtrend, because that's what we're in. We're in a downtrend. That's a continuation trend Fibonacci level. Okay, it can come up a little bit to the 0.5. That's a neutral. It still can continue its trend. Okay, so just to state that real quick, and I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure to subscribe if you want more daily crypto videos. Join the WhatsApp group. Follow me on social media. I'd appreciate it. And check out my website. I got some. I got an educational course on how to trade, draw structure, risk management, psychology, and then I also have signal. I have a signal service that you can just take my signals when I send them out, and they just both cost one time. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll talk to you guys soon.